Hello everyone, I am Manu Sharma, lecturer in English, Government Senior Secondary School, Nara District, Hoshiarpur. Today I would like to say about precautions that must be taken if someone in a family has COVID infection. First of all, there is no need to be panic. We should have positive thinking. No need to be depressed. To save other members of the family, the affected person must keep himself away from rest of family members. He should wear mask and use handkerchief and tissue papers while sneezing or coughing. Wash hands with soap and water at least for 20 seconds and use sanitizers which are alcohol based. He should stay in a separate room and he should use washroom which also not be common with other members of the family. Use separate dishes, mugs, cups, and it must not be shared with the other members of the family. Make sure that the common area in the home must be good ventilated, means it must have good airflow. Don't allow the visitors to come into your home, and the attendant who is attending the sick person, he must also be very careful. He should wear gloves, mask, and he should also maintain a distance of 6 feet while doing his work. The clothes of sick person must be washed regularly with detergents and with hot water. Sick person should be stay in a room, that means in isolation, and the other members of the family should stay at home, that is in quarantine. In this way we can stop the spread of this dangerous disease. Thank you.